Hi everyone, today I'm going to make my version of the Thomas Kellers roasted zucchini. It's a really simple dish, and with a few changes, I think it can be better. So let's start with the zucchini. Look for ones that are straight and even in size and color all the way through. Cut it in half, and then we want to score the zucchini to make a diamond pattern. This is going to help later when we season our zucchini to help get the flavor all the way into the zucchini. Season with kosher salt and let this sit for about 20 minutes. The seasoning that I'm using is this caponata blend from my spice line, Spoon Spices. Caponata is an Italian dish that's made with capers, olives, garlic, tomato, and herbs that I made into a seasoning. Sprinkle this on the zucchini and rub it in. You want to get into the cuts we made earlier so they can flavor the zucchini. One mistake a lot of people make with dried herbs and spices is not giving them time to rehydrate. This is key to get the most flavor out of your spices. And this is what we're looking for. Almost all the seasoning is rubbed into the zucchini, and this is going to flavor the inside of it. Put a little extra seasoning on top and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some olive oil to a pan over medium heat, and then we're going to add our zucchini cut side down. And I just put the lid offset just so all grease doesn't splatter all over the place. Once you have good caramelization on your zucchini, you can flip it over. I like to drizzle a little more olive oil in there and then put the lid back on. This is going to act as an oven, so you don't actually have to put it in the oven. Once the zucchini is tender, we can take it off and set it aside. I like having different textures with my food, so having some crushed croutons on top is going to be really nice. For the sauce, we're just going to use some tomato sauce. This is one that I made, but you can use a good jarred tomato sauce if you have it. Place your zucchini on top. A little sprinkle of the seasoning. And a few fresh basil leaves. This dish is packed with flavor from the caponata spice with the olives and capers and garlic, and then you have a little bit of crunch with the nice soft tender zucchini and a little acid from the tomato. This is a great dish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know if you think that this is better than Thomas Kellers. See you next time.